So I'm Jarvis Odgers, I'm DPT, and I'm Clinic Director here at Rebound Physical Therapy. So I think one of the cool things clinically for us, I've been a therapist for almost 15 years now, and I think that paradigm has kind of shifted to where, getting out of school is mostly one-on-one care. I think, unfortunately now there's a lot of settings that have double bookings. We're fortunate here at Rebound. I mean, we are 100% one-on-one care all the time. In the 8 years that I've been here, I've never been double booked. And that's just a huge luxury, It's one of those that, one, you get to connect more with your patient. I think that's a huge factor. But you're just better. You're better when you're doing one thing and doing it exceptionally well. Whereas I think it's hard when you're seeing two people at a time to be your best in two places at once. I think we are a growing organization. We're a fun organization. So that is one of those that I would encourage anybody, whether you're, looking at moving to the area, whether you're maybe already in the area, come give us a test drive. That's like my number one advice to students when I have that are getting ready to graduate. It's like, you got to get out there. I mean, interviews are one thing, but go out there and do a test drive. Go out there and shadow, spend some time in a clinic to where you're really going to get a feel for them. I don't know what I would call it besides that it factor, but I think we have it. So, if you're curious, if you're interested, I would highly encourage you to come out and kind of give us that test drive. So I think one of the great things about Rebound, that we're big as far as a small family-owned private practice clinic, but we're big. We have a number of clinicians. We've got 2 locations. But I think for me, one of the coolest things about private practice is that you get to be kind of your own driver. We have a bunch of different areas. I mean, we do, some of our therapists that specialize in vestibular, some in kind of women's health, pelvic health. We've got a pool, so we do aquatic therapy. But one of the huge things about being in private practice, we've got a team, we've got a marketing team that'll back you up on it. If you've got an area of interest that you can really kind of go out there and try to grow in that field, become, that expert in that field, whether it's sports medicine, whether it's women's health, it's kind of one of those that you think it, we will try to get you educated, promote it, both on a clinical side, but also on as a marketing side to be able to grow kind of your own practice in essence.